This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Kaki Moro. Fabulous home nestled in the middle of everything Dilworth and Southend has to offer. Great location within minutes to the light rail and Uptown. New kitchen appliances, HVAC and water heater replaced in 2018. Open floor pan with kitchen opening to spacious living room and dining area. The kitchen has a huge island with breakfast bar, corian countertops, and extra cabinets for storage. Upstairs features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The master has vaulted ceilings and 2 large closets. Enjoy the outdoors on one of 3 awesome porches. The backyard is spacious and fully fenced, flat, and includes a storage shed. For more information, review the details below.